how to realign your spine.
If you've ever seen somebody to have your back cracked or adjusted, or maybe you've done it on yourself, this is not the same as correcting a misalignment. You may feel better, you may even function better, but the true misalignment is still in your body when you do it that way.
With advanced biostructural correction, the only directions we ever need to push your spine is from the front towards the back, because that's the direction you don't have any muscles to self-correct misalignments.
One day in the future, we will all look back in amazement that we did not know such simple things about our bodies.